really like being a volunteer, and I think it's a good way to develop skills. And I also see other, especially young people that come into volunteering, often they develop some character and hone some skills in it. And I think oftentimes gain some confidence, especially like trying things out and getting experience with stuff they otherwise wouldn't. I also think there's a social component and networking component to it.
Values, as I don't think most people are actually familiar with EU values. I myself was not familiar with them until you actually sent them on, because I just never really thought about EU having values really. I'd also think that like in organizations and NGOs could try incorporating solidarity training into their organization's activism and leadership programs, because like there's a difference between solidarity and pity. Like especially
Well, if we're talking about specifically EU values, it would be, I guess, human rights. But to me, the main focus is diversity. I really like the values of equality and human dignity as well in the EU. And I think that this big connecting to everyone and everywhere kind of mentality is something that's really close to me, because I think that the more diverse we are, the more we can do together, and accepting each other regardless of our diverse views is something that I think the EU is pushing for.
Nice.
Solidarnost, ja, v bistvu jo razumem tako, da gledaš tudi na druge ljudi, da narediš kakšno stvar samo zato, ker jo lahko narediš, da ni, ne vem, tako, da pač paziš drug na drugega, no, da imaš vedno v mislih še pa ne vem, pač, mislim, prostovoljstvo se mi v bistvu že tako samo po sebi zdi solidarno, se pravi pač, da nekaj počnem.
And do you feel your volunteer is connected with European Union values?
I think yes, I feel pretty much, because in this project that CUF, I was working with volunteers from other countries, and there was people from France, as I remember, and I get to know that we are the same people. That we don't very much, we are not different very much from each other, and that as we are working together, we can do great.
Okay, so letting people know, young people know what the EU values are and what volunteering is about and how they can help the community. Just making sure that people know about these things is a very important step, like maybe the first step in these things. But I also think, so letting young people discover their options and what they are interested in would also be really important, because I think nowadays there's a lot of young people who might not start something because the other generations will be like, oh, that won't work, oh, that will work, oh, I did this. And it's a good thing because it's informative, but the things that didn't work 20 years ago may work now. And I think a lot of young people don't want to get into arguments, and that's why they don't want to be leaders, because everybody will tell me what to do anyways. So I think that's also important things that can be done.
Well, I think that the main thing is that's missing in youth participation within the EU. Like, it's great to get it's great to be involved in politics and activism within your own country, like nationwide. But I don't know. I just think it'd be great to get more young people involved in European politics.